Hello and welcome to Basic Python tutorial number 10. Alright, today we're going to go ahead and talk about booleans and some flow control methods. To start off with booleans. Now, a boolean is pretty much anything that you can state that will equal true or false. And those are the only things that a boolean can be. So, like, say we're going to put, we will make a variable called pizza, and we'll equal pizza to tasty. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and say I'm going to show you a flow control statement as well now, and it's just going to be a simple if statement. So we're going to say if pizza, and remember for equals it's two equal signs, so if pizza equals tasty, so pretty much we want the program to look at pizza and let us know if it's tasty. And if it is not tasty, it will not run whatever we put in the body of the if statement. If it is tasty, then it will run what is in this statement. So we will run, or what we will have it print to the screen, eat the pizza. Okay, and then we're just going to run this. And as you can see, it printed out eat the pizza, because pizza does equal tasty. Now if we were to put if pizza does not equal tasty, then we want to print gross. And see, pizza does equal tasty, so it didn't print anything. So that's what will happen if that statement ends up not being true. Now we can go a little further with this, and we'll go ahead and we'll put price to equal, I don't know, 20 bucks. So the pizza is 20 bucks. So if pizza equals tasty, and price is less than $25, then print good deal. And as you can see, it prints good deal because the price of pizza pizza is tasty, and the price of that pizza is less than $25. Now the other way that you can do is you can go with an or statement. So if pizza equals tasty, or price is less than $15, then print good deal. And as you can see, it printed good deal because pizza was true. Now the results for the AND operation, this one right here, is if it's false and false, it will be false. If it's true and this one is false, it will still be false. If this one is false and this one is true, it will be false. If this one is true and this one is true, that's the only way it will be true. Now with the OR statement, if this is false or this is false, then it is false. If this is true or this is false, then it is true. If this is false or this is true, then it's true. And if they're both true, then it's true. Okay, and then another thing you can do is a not statement. So if not, and let's say if not pizza equals tasty and price is less than $25, then print not good. And as you see, it doesn't print not good because pizza is tasty and the price is less than $25. So none of those are not correct. Now for the not operation, it just basically means it's going to do the opposite. So since these are true, it will put it as it's saying it's false. Or because it's not true, it's equal to false. Or if it was not true, it would be equal to false. Since it is not false, it is true. And since this one is not false, it is true. So that's a true and true, which will leave you with not printing that. Okay, and then there's two other parts to the flow control. So you can say if pizza equals tasty, then I want to print yum. And then you want to bring it back four spaces, goes back in for any indentation. Do not hit tab in here as it will not work properly. And then here we will put else, and that means does not match any other indentation. If pizza equals tasty, then yum. Else, oh, just don't indent it because it'll already say it. Oops, we have to print that yum. Else print nasty. Now as you see, it ran it and it hit yum. Now we're going to set pizza equals, just one equals to put something to it, and we'll put gross. Now if, well, let's see, maybe we can just copy that and paste it. And now it comes up with nasty because you see we set pizza to equal gross. Now let's put pizza back to equaling tasty. And now one last thing. So, and we'll deal this around price. So if price of the pizza is less than 15, then print cheap. And we'll go back here and we'll put elif, which is a combination of else if, meaning that if the price is less than 15, print cheap, or else price is less than 21, then print okay, or well, let's do moderate. And then after that you get to add one more else statement to catch everything else. Else print expensive. Now basically what this is saying is that if the price is less than 15, then it's going to print out cheap. Or else, if the price is less than 21, it will print moderate. And if it doesn't meet either of those requirements, then it's just going to print expensive. So when we do this, it lets us know that our pizza is moderately priced. So that was the flow control statements and booleans all rolled into one. So you now know for the true and the false and all of that. And I guess one more way we can show booleans. So let's go ahead and write score equals 100. We already have pizza equals tasty and price. Alright, so now let's print score does not equal 100. That gives us false. Now if we print score is greater than 90, that'll give us true. So that's how booleans work. It's either a false or a true. There is no in between, there's nothing else, just true or false. Alright, well that's it guys, and go ahead and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if not, well, give it a thumbs down, and go ahead and add a comment to this so we can try to make them better in the future. Thank you, and goodbye.